What's up, YouTube? So you've seen from the title we're going to be setting up my one-of-a-kind car setup. So on Instagram, I posted a video on how I set it up, and it had over 2 million views. So I figured I'd make a YouTube video out of it. So this is the Grom. This is my stunt Grom. I don't really ride it anymore. I don't have the chain on it. Everyone always asks me, hey, take the chain off. You're gonna fucking mess up the engine, this and that. The chain is not on. So I have a wheelie bar. I have the third handbrake. I have the one-finger clutch. I have the custom the custom headlight that I won in a contest. I have the rear sets. I vinyl wrapped the whole plastic. I have some stuff done to the engine. Not really anything really. It's just the fuel pump. I also have this exhaust that I got from, I think, eBay. It actually like shoots flames and pops out, which is like sick as hell. So the one thing that everyone always asks me about my mount, how did I get this mount? Where did I get it from? Blah, 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 blah. So I got this off of eBay about, I'd say, a year and a half, 2 years ago. There was only like 3 in stock when I actually bought it. It's discontinued. You can't find it anymore. I've only seen 2 people so far have the same exact one I have. They have other ones. They don't look as good, but it still does the job. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to tow like a whole wagon. You know how people like put it on the whole wagon and stuff. I didn't really want to do that. I wanted to do something different, and I found this, and I picked up on it, and I bought it. All right, so the mount basically just came without this piece. Like, this is just an adapter for my actual tow mount that's under here. Right here is where I actually tie down the bike with the straps. I just got 2 straps, that's it. For extra security, so if I leave my car parked anywhere, no one steals it, I just put a regular lock around the tire. So first of all is, I just take this off, and then I just put it in there. It's very simple. Wiggle, line it up, lock it up, then I take the bike, I line it up, it should balance perfectly, like that, and then I just take the straps and I tie it around the handlebar to the spots where I can, from the mount. So I just tighten them both down. I try to do it as even as possible. It's kind of like tilted this way, so I'll just tighten this side more. But obviously it has wiggle room, so it's not going to be perfect. It really doesn't matter because the bike's not going anywhere. And most of the times I just leave it right here in the headlight. Last thing, like I said, I just take this for extra support. Tight it right 3 times, lock it in. That's it. Until next video, like, comment, and subscribe.